Fill in the blanks. SIPCO movement was started in Samoli, district of Uttarakhand. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on Narmada River. In 2004, RTI bill was passed by the parliament and received presidential assent in 2005. What is Narmada Bachao Andolan? Narmada Bachao Andolan is a protest against construction of big dam on Narmada River. What is SIPCO movement? SIPCO movement was an environmental movement. The novel aspect of this movement was to protect environment by preventing trees from being cut down. Also, this movement opposed forest exploiting content given to outsiders. When did farmers' movement start in India? 1983. In which state Shetkari Sangathana belongs? Maharashtra. Who is the leader of Bharatiya Kisan Union? Mahendra Singh Tikait. In which year All India Kisan Sabha was established? In 1980. What does spouse stand for? Prisoner of war. Which amendments granted reservation of women in political affairs? 73rd and 74th Amendments. Which organization started the movement for right to information? Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan. What was the ideology of Dalit Panthers? The ideology of Dalit Panthers are to destroy the caste system. When did the right to information movement start? Right to information movement started 1990s. Write the full form of MKSS, Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan. Name the leader of Narmada Bachao Andolan, Medha Patkar. In which district was the anti-Iraq movement started? Andhra Pradesh. Write the full form of NFF, National Fish Workers Forum. Name any one of the organization of farmers. Bharatiya Kisan Union is one of the farmers' associations. Identify the reasons which led to the SIPCO movement in Uttar Pradesh in early 1970s. What was the impact of this movement? SIPCO movement was an environmental movement which began because the Forest Department refused permission to the villagers of Uttar Pradesh to fell ash trees for making agricultural goods. But the Forest Department gave permission to a sports manufacturer to fell ash trees for commercial purposes. The villagers protested against this action of Forest Department. This protest spread across many parts of the Uttarakhand region of Uttar Pradesh. This is known as SIPCO movement. The main demands for the SIPCO movement are: firstly, no forest exploiting contracts should be given to outsiders. Secondly, local communities should have effective control over natural resources like land, water, and forest. Thirdly, government should provide low-cost materials to small industries and ensure development of the region without disturbing the ecological balance. Fourthly, the movement raises economic issues of landless forest workers and demands for guarantees of minimum wages. This movement had great impact. The government banned the felling of trees for 15 years. The SIPCO movement became a symbol of many popular social movements in India. This movement inspired people to raise voices against injustice and exploitation. What is Dalit Panthers? Dalit Panthers, a militant organization of the Dalit youths, was formed in Maharashtra in 1972. After independence, Dalit groups were mainly fighting against perpetual caste-based inequalities and material injustice that the Dalit faced. Dalit Panthers demanded effective implementation of reservations and other constitutional guarantees of social justice. Dalit Panthers protested firmly the social oppression and violence against the Dalits. What is the Bharatiya Kisan Union? What are the demands put forward by BKU? The Bharatiya Kisan Union BKU was established in 1980. It was mainly active in Punjab and western Uttar Pradesh. It was led by Mohinder Singh Tikait. The BKU was one of the leading organizations in the farmers' movement of the 1980s. The BKU demanded ending zonal restrictions on movement of food grains. Electricity rates should be reduced. Price of sugarcane and milk should be raised. Adequate compensations in case of natural disaster. The government should take the responsibility for selling the produce. What do you understand by social movement? Distinguish between social movement and political movement. A social movement is when a group of people gets together to stand up for a social issue. These issues can be political, economic, cultural, etc. A social movement allows the people to voice their opinions on a public matter. There are different types of social movements. For instance, some movements can be peaceful while others are very violent. Such movements are Sipko movement, Narmada Bachao Andolan, etc. Though social and political are important types of movement, but these two movements are different from each other. Social movements are basically non-institutional, deliberate and collective effort to express demands on the issues of economic and social injustice. But political movements are basically referred to party movement which aim to bring political change. Secondly, social movement aims to bringing changes in the society, whereas political movements have got political backing and tries to bring some change. Thirdly, the scope of social movements are wider than that the scope of political movements. Fourthly, social movement may be peaceful and violent, whereas political movement may be violent. Would you consider the anti-Iraq movement as a women's movement? Why? Anti-Iraq movement refers to movement led by rural women in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. The rural women fought against alcoholism. They led a movement against government and against the mafias. This was known as anti-Iraq movement. This movement was able to create an awareness against the alcoholism, especially among the women section of the rural society. The women in the villages united came together in spontaneously to protest against Iraq. They took initiative to forcefully close the wine shop. The women openly discussed various issues which they faced because of alcoholism. Yes, we would consider the anti-Iraq movement as a part of women's movement to provide a platform for women to discuss private issues of domestic violence. This movement focused on issues of sexual violence against women either within family or outside. Women joined the campaign against dowry and demanded personal and property laws based on gender equality. These campaigns contributed a great deal in increasing social awareness as well as shifted from legal reforms to open social confrontations. Consequently, This movement demanded equal representation to women in politics during the 90s. Hence, 73rd and 74th Amendments granted reservations to women in local level political offices. Thus, this movement can be concluded to be a part of women's movement. What was Narmada Bachao Andolan? What was the criticism against it? The Narmada Bachao Andolan was a type of social movement headed by Medha Patkar. Also, it was a collective local organization movement to save River Narmada, which opposed the construction of the mega dams and questions the nature of ongoing developmental projects in the country. The Narmada Bachao Andolan opposed the dam projects in the Narmada Valley because of the following reasons. It would destroy the ecological habitual of that particular area. The project would lead to large-scale displacement of people around that belt. There would be a serious loss of their livelihood and cultural and depletion of ecological resources. There would be social implications of this project like the social cost of rehabilitations of the project affected people. But Narmada Bachao Andolan also not free from criticism. Firstly, abstracting to the process of development. Secondly, it was criticized on the point that it denied the access of water. Thirdly, it is said to have been hindering the nation's economic development. Fourthly, it stands as an obstacle in many more subsidiary benefits like effective flood drought control in the region also linked it.